Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm guiding you through a super useful skill that every trader, whether you're just starting out or already have a few trades under your belt, needs to master. How to close a trade directly on TradingView. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to wrap up any open position, all in just a few steps, so you can manage your trades with confidence and avoid any unwanted surprises. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. To begin, let's head over to TradingView. Take a moment to make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have your chart workspace open, just like you usually would when analyzing or monitoring trades. This is your main hub for everything, from research to tracking price action to managing your active positions. Now, at the very top of the screen, you'll notice a navigation bar. There you'll see several options, but we're looking for the one labeled Products. Go ahead and give that a click. This tab is actually quite handy. It collects all the trading features TradingView has to offer. It's a bit like the main aisle at a store. Whenever you want to switch between charts, browse ideas, or like today, handle your positions, you start here. Once you're in the right section, your attention should shift to the bottom area of your TradingView window. Here, you'll likely find a few different panels depending on your setup, but what we're looking for specifically is the Positions tab. This section is basically your trade control center. It displays all the trades you currently have open. The assets, the size, your entry price, and of course whether you're up or down at the moment. If you can't spot the Positions tab right away, don't worry. It sometimes hides if your window is small, so just maximize your workspace or look for a little handle that lets you drag the panel upwards. Now, with your positions visible, find the specific order you want to close. Maybe it's a trade that's hit your profit target, or perhaps the market's just not moving the way you hoped. Either way, closing a trade is simply about locking in your current outcome, whatever it is. Take a look at the far right side of your orders row. You'll see a small X icon, sometimes also displayed as a close button. This is your exit ticket. All you have to do is click on that X. A quick note here. Sometimes a confirmation window will pop up, just to make sure you really want to close and avoid any accidental clicks. Double-check you're closing the right trade and then confirm your choice. And that's really it. Your position is now closed. TradingView processes the closure almost instantly, and you should see the trade disappear from your open positions list right away. This step might feel a bit nerve-wracking the first couple of times, especially if you're watching the profit and loss numbers move, but once you've done it, you'll see how fast and seamless TradingView makes the process. So whether you're taking profits, cutting losses, or just learning the ropes, you now know exactly how to close out a trade with confidence on TradingView. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button, and if you have any questions or if you got stuck on a certain step, just drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tutorials just like this. Happy trading, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.